Hey guys, welcome back to the ridge. Today, I'm gonna carve on something new. I've never carved on a piece of locust before.
Tell me all about it. You don't say.
I'm not sure if it's black locust, honey locust, but it's locust. But, made a board for the Mid-America YouTube meetup, and Big Mike from MT Homestead, who was the host, carried on about it. So I decided I'm gonna make one for, a small one for him. So we're gonna try, carve out his logo on here. Put this down. I probably ought to cut this up in, room where I can see. I can tape it down. All right, let's see if I got everything. All right, I think we can work with that. Put that back so I can find it next time. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to use the little router on this one. We're going to lower our blade just a little, our bit just a little bit. Or raise the blade, either one. And put a mask on. All right, let's try it again. Third time's the charm, right? think my battery's dead. So I think I'm going to take my little rotary tool here, which is very handy, by the way, from Katurk. And I'm going to clean up some of my lines. Which that might be a little wider than my Dremel bit. Or router bit. If I'm not careful. All right, I think I'm going to stop there before I tear it all up. Alrighty, more of these little teeny tiny lines. I hope we get it down in there good and no air bubbles again. But we're just going to pour it all over the top because I don't have steady enough hands to make sure it stays just in there. And then we'll sand it off. All right, got it all covered. Take our little torch and let's pray we get all the air bubbles out. All right, we're probably gonna have to wait till tomorrow to finish. Let's hope it turns out. So I started on and just about forgot to turn the camera on. So I just, sanded for a minute or so. I didn't turn the camera on to finish recording or I won't have a video. So let's get this sanded off. have something for you, Mike.
For me?
Yes.
Is it a hug?
Well, I'll give you that too.
Okay.
I will record while doing it. So,
Ew.
Hey, what's going on?
so since you liked my board that
Yeah.
I made one for you.
Oh.
It's not as big, but that was a lot more work.
Wow. So, folks, Carrie's gonna love that. Thank you.
Don't use it as a cutting board.
Don't use it?
As a cutting board.
Okay. That looks great. Thank you.
Little houses for work.
All right.